let's just put it here and say if item dot name is empty. If it's empty, enter no name. If it's not empty, we enter the name there. So that is the name, item 1 or product that. You can just say maybe product that, it is there. So product that, it has no name and it is there. Okay. Let's put maybe some tail and put the price as well, so someone can simply identify it. So let's put here the subtitle, and then we put the price. Let's just come and duplicate this guy, price, and then put here if it has no price, so no price. I think that's enough for us. Then you can make this one maybe list separated and give it a what, a divider, separate divider, and make this divider maybe having an height of 0, I mean of 1 or 0. I think 0 still be displayed. I think that's good. I think that's good for us to get started with. All right, yeah, let's proceed now. Let's proceed to the next level. Now, once when you click here, it should give you a menu whether you want to delete it, or you want to edit it, or you want to do anything, some other action, something like that. Either edit and delete, one of the two. So to do that, I'm going to need a menu. Let me see here if I can get here some menu. I'm going to need some menu. Let's see here. I want to test Flutter menu package. There's a menu package that I want to test. I've never tested, I've never used it before, but we can try it together. I can't upload this video. Just a minute, sorry. All right. So I want us to test this menu right now. Doesn't have screenshots, but you can test it. So I want us to test this package menu package for menus. So we see if it can help us going forward. Let's test it together. So I'll come here to installing, and then come and copy Flutter add pop-up menu. I'll come and run it now. Come to a terminal and then go ahead and run Flutter add pop-up menu. Let's see if it can do for us some good stuff. It's loading, so you can wait as it loads. So we can wait as it is loading. So it is installing, it has finished installing. I don't know if it needs to start an app or not. I don't know. Let's go to examples. So here are so many examples. So they say, let's begin with this basic one that is on home page. So they say that you just simply define main equals to that, and then you show pop-up menu. First you should say the context at somewhere of your code. Let's do that. So I don't know if they set it from anywhere. So these are our stock local items. Let's go ahead and try to set it on top here. Let's also import this menu. All right. It has not imported. So I'll come here. So I'll just simply come and say stock pop-up menu. So how do you import it? Let me see. Pop-up menu. Let me see if it can import. purchase the package section. So I say as pop-up menu. So you go ahead and say pop-up menu dot context. It's not tracking. Alright, so you import it. Where do you initialize it from? Yep. Import it. So how do you initialize it? Alright, you can as well use it like this, I think. Alright, let's try to use it like that. We are learning together. Alright, so let's go to our list tile. Come here to on tap. Let's show this pop-up menu. So I've copied the code and pasted it there. Let's see what we've got. So pop-up menu, you pass the context, then you put many config lists. I don't know what that means, but we shall find out. So list of menu items. We put those up there. Okay. And on click, put your on click method. On top, let's first remove all these. So this on the items. Let's reduce on the items. Let's make them one item. All right. Okay, so first remove this and this is what we've got. So it needs a key. So key can be our index. It has to be string. Let's see how they got the key here. It's the global key. Let's try to define it as well. There we go. All right, let's try to click and see. Oh, it's not working. That's the error about. Okay. Failed. Current context is null. So context is null. So maybe let's try to restart the app and we see. And see if this one can work for us. If it can work for us, then we can use it in so many things. All right, let's see my products, local products. Still snap. Key on current. So the key, the current context is not null. Let's see how we do that. Again, let's come here to the main example. Wasting our time. Let's try this. On top, let's put it there. Okay, so pop-up menu, add context. All right. Okay, on click, and then is dismissible. Let's first leave all those. So no error. Now let's say menu.show. Menu.show. I think the problem comes with the key. Menu.show. Let's try to call this one. Okay, what if you don't pass the key? Key can't be null. Time is going. Maybe I can first work on it offline. Let's see if the key is got widget key. Get global. Let's see how it is being exemplary done here. All right, let's just leave this. Just use a normal pop-up menu. We shall I'll figure this out in offline. Then I'll come while I've tested it. All right, so let's have our menu, our normal menu that we had. East style. We're having just some menu. This one, we can use one like this, and then others we can take care of it later. Yep. Just remove this package. I'll first practice it and master it, then I will teach it later when I've also learned it. Alright, so let's proceed. Our time is running. Count my products, view products. The menu is also refusing to work. Let's first closing it. I have to show it here. Stock items. Let me copy menu like this. It's unselected. All right. This is a widget. So let's put trailing and put that widget there. I think that's fine. Let's go with that for now. So you just simply put trailing, then say pop-up menu, put square string, and then say unselected, and then on selected we'll get the value. You check the value if it's as an edit, else is what is delete. So if it is edit, we go ahead and do the edit logic. You see, get the 2 and then you pass that one, press screen and then do edit. If it is delete, you go ahead and do the delete logic. All right. However, on delete here we can come to it later. Let's first comment it. Shall come to it. There is a lot to put in consideration if you have to delete. So let's save there. I hope you've seen how I've done that. It's just I've added it on the list on trailing here. Okay, so what should we do right now? Even me, I don't know. What we're going to do right now, we're going to go ahead and do what, and work on this init. So you're seeing this is not working until you refresh. So you're going to come here to init state and make sure that you're always calling my init. So in this my init, you shall be getting items to be equal to item that you're searching here. So where 1. So if I come and refresh and I click here, the item will automatically show up. Alright, so if I click here, I'll go to edit. So here, since the local item, when I click here, straight will go to edit. You get it? Yeah, like this. I cancel, I go back to edit. Alright, let's try to save some name there. Let's try to save. So I'll come here and say maybe category. So we need to put also maybe the button to save offline. Okay, save as draft. Okay, save as draft. I mean, so for the later upload, something like that. So let's go ahead and do the creating. Let's go ahead and go to the creating screen. So creating screen. It is here. I'll go to the create screen. So I'm going to add the button of save offline. Okay, save offline. So how shall we add it? I can just come here where there is submit button here. All right, we can create another one for save offline. Okay, or save as draft. All right, so let me make this one 15, and then I'm going to call it save as draft. And this one, the color, it can be maybe accent. I hope I have accent color. So if I save there, you see I have save as draft. Okay. So I want, when you click on save as draft, you just get widget and then say dot what dot item dot save. Put here await, and then maybe some toast, say maybe saved as draft, and then I do pop up. Okay, I do navigator dot pop up. I go back to where I came from. Yes, that's it. Yeah, that's it. I think that makes sense. So if I click here save as draft, you'll see saved as draft. So for example, now let's come here and say edit name. So come here and edit name. So I'll come here, select the category, select the name, maybe offline product. So let's go ahead and save it as draft. So save as draft, you see saved as draft. When I come here, you see the name was updated to offline product. Right, so maybe if I want it to be lively, I can do when I get await, I go to item, I do here await, and then when it comes back, I go ahead and do the init again. All right, yeah, I think that's okay. So if I come here and just come and add a full stop, you'll see that everything that I selected first already there. Add a full stop, say save as draft, and you'll see that a full stop has come. All right, so lastly, let's finish with images, photos that have been selected. So now here, when you I see the photos are there, but when you come for the first time, the photos are not showing up, right? The photos are not showing up. So let's do it like this. That when you're opening this in my init, just create screen here in init. So once you've got the widgets, so here in the initialization, we go ahead and also get the photos that are offline. So just go ahead and say widget dot get local images. We can also do this dot get local images, so it can get them. Okay, just make it await as well. Okay, so you can also do this in the select. All right. Okay, so here where there is get items, where is it? Sorry, here where there is get items in the stock local items. So here before we return it, okay, so here before we return them, so we have here something called from JSON, and this object will also be getting the local items in the background like this. Get local items. So every time you call this one, it comes with its local items. So if I come and refresh here and I come and click on edit, you'll see the images come with it. If I come here, click on edit, you see its respective images are coming as well. You see, that is beautiful. All right, so yeah, that's the edit that we've done today. I see the images come with it. Yeah, so we can also maybe when you open it again, you should also try to upload images. Yeah, so just to try if there are some images, you should start uploading them. See, yeah, so when I come here, click on edit, you see the images have started uploading, right? So by the time I finish this, the images should be done. So yeah, we are approaching it in the right way. So that's it. Today I've looked at save as draft. So tomorrow we shall look now as finalizing this.